guys, long time no see. I hope everyone is good. I wanted to do something different. It's such a still and stagnant time, so I thought I'd do a very different topic today. As you can see, what is the thing that you are least expecting that's going to happen? Okay, and I will set the intention as very soon. Okay. I'm going to be doing a live shuffle as well over here. Okay, so you will know whatever comes out. Okay, so let's try to break out of the monotony a little bit. Okay, all right. So also before I start, Tulika, thank you so much for your gift. It's a bit late that I have actually spotted this, but thank you for my earrings as well as my beautiful heart-shaped ring. Okay, thank you so much. I love you. Okay, all right. Tulika gave this to me on my birthday, and I had promised that I'm going to sport it in one of my readings, but I never got the time. But now is the time. All right, guys. So let's start with our pile picking. The first pile is the dendrite jasper. It's a bluish gray stone. Okay, the second one, pile 2, is the cream moonstone. The third one is the red aventurine. Okay, I will be having I have put a video in the beginning, so you can refer to that or refer to the thumbnail with the question in mind, what is coming which I'm least expecting. Okay. All right, so let's start with pile 1, which is the dendrite jasper. Spirit, what is coming for pile 1 that they are least expecting? We have 3 cards dropping out. Okay, the first one is house. The second one is privileged lady, and the third one is poverty. All right, I'm going to pick the tarot to understand this better. What is coming that pile 1 is least expecting? What is coming? Yeah, the hermit, which pretty much goes with the house card here. Please clarify the privileged lady. Okay, I have Knight of Cups. Okay, this seems like a very clear message to me. Oh my gosh, like, all right, such a unique message. And what is this poverty? Hierophant. Hierophant, okay. Ace of Wands at the bottom. See, pile 1, I am getting here this, it's almost like a story. Okay, I'm getting with the house and the hermit. This is like, see, there is something about you guys. Yeah, there is something about you guys being in hermit mode or in isolation, or someone being in isolation, you know, like for some time and looking forward. Okay, there is something about someone watching someone also. What the heck? Okay, there's somebody who might be like stalking you or something like that. I don't know. This is what you least expect, so who knows? Okay, there might be someone having an eye on you, very serious eye. This, I'm not getting this like I'm not getting this as like any kind of a scary energy. Okay, this is someone has an eye on you. Okay, like this could be through any which way, because house is the card of like actual house, like where you stay, and the hermit is a card of someone who is deeply alone and in contemplation. And if you look at the imagery, this is a person looking out. And where are they looking out? They're looking out into a house. Okay, so someone has an eye on you guys, and this person is very serious. Okay, I am sensing that this is like a love message, to be honest, but please take it as it resonates. It could be someone who just likes you, and wants to be updated about whatever you're doing or something like that. Or they just like looking at you, who knows, right? This is someone who has an eye on you, pile number one, and it is a serious eye. Okay, like they are probably watching your house or something like that. I'm not seeing this like within your maybe within your residence or something like that, but I am seeing this like an external view, so yeah, that's one thing. Now the second thing that I'm getting here is with the Knight of Cups and the Privileged Lady. Yeah, I do sense that this might be like a silent admirer or a secret admirer. And please don't worry. It's not necessary that the person's stalking your house. It just could be that they're just like having a very trained eye on your social media, and maybe you don't expect it. But this is somebody who is romantically interested. Okay. I am seeing that this person thinks of you as someone who needs to be like won over in the proper way. Okay, because I see this person like holding a bunch of flowers, right? And there's a privileged lady here, and there's a knight coming to this lady, so it's like very old world, right? Like this person perhaps feels that they need to wine you, dine you, to impress you. Okay, because you are a person maybe with high standards or something like that. Okay, I think you don't expect this, pile number pile number one. You don't expect this, that someone could keep you up, so up on such a pedestal, or think of you as someone so like impressive, right? Someone so impressive. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. This is definitely about romance, is what I'm getting. Now with the Poverty and the High Priest, okay, it's possible that, okay, one message I'm getting is that maybe this person, if they have connected with you in any which way, maybe they have not shown you their true intentions, okay, which might be to get married to you perhaps. Okay, or it could be that this person is in a pretty major position of power or something, and they're only showing you just like this poverty part of it. I don't know why. Okay, on one side this person wants to impress you, and on the other side they're not like really showing who they are really. Yeah, so this is what you're least expecting. I do sense with the Privileged Lady and the Knight of Cups, you also like this person, pile number one, but you are perhaps not expecting who they really are. Okay, or you don't know who they really are, but this person is like someone like this is a powerful person. They are, I think, just pretending or something like that for some reason. I don't know. Okay, but yeah, this is what you're not expecting. Maybe someone that I do feel who this person is, pile number one. Okay, but it's like this person with the House and the Hermit card, maybe this person is like in isolation. Like they have not shown you, like they have been very distant perhaps in terms of divulging certain details about themselves or something like that. They have been hidden. With the Hermit, right? This is the person sitting in a cave, right? And just looking out. And I have a feeling you don't know. You just know the romantic part of it. Perhaps this person has told you something, okay? But you don't know that this person's position is something major, okay? You are headed there. You're headed to knowing who this person truly is, like in the external world. Okay, and I do sense this person holds some sort of power, because you're gonna be like really like proud of this person. Okay, when they reveal themselves, when you get to know about them, you are going to be proud of this person, pile number one. Okay, but this person is very serious about you, is what I'm getting. If you guys are not expecting that, then this is a message that this person wants to treat you the proper way. They are going to reveal who they truly are. They are going to go by rules. They are going to go by tradition in terms of wooing you, in terms of like, getting you to be theirs. It might take a little bit of time before that happens, but you're already on the way. Like, this person is coming, like they are going to come. I mean, I really don't know about numbers, but take it as it resonates. Maybe 2 months, maybe 9 months, I'm not sure, between 2 to 9 months. But something that you are least expecting is the person you feel who is interested in you and what is their background. Okay, you're going to be very shocked when that is going to happen, and in a good way. Okay, because this person is not telling you who they are truly. They're deliberately perhaps pretending to be someone who's like very like poverty struck or something like that. Oh, poor thing. So you could be like a little, like nurturing with them or caring with them. Maybe that's what they want. Okay, but this person has not told you what they really are. They're going to be a beautiful person. You're going to be very proud of them. Okay, and if you guys have doubts that is this person having the right intentions, I do see this person very serious about you. For some of you, I do sense that this person wants to get married to you, and quite fast, I would say. Like they just cannot do without you. This pile is all about love, to be honest. Okay, so I don't know, maybe you can check out another pile if you feel this doesn't resonate. Okay, bye. Okay, so pile 2 with the cream moonstone. What is coming that you least expect? Okay, Spirit, what is coming for pile 2 that they least expect? All right, that was quite a bit, but we'll take it. Okay, we have 2 cards. All right, the first one is main male, and the second one is journey. All right, makes sense. Both of them are number 1. So yeah, and then we have mature man at the bottom. Wow, like what is this? This is so much masculine energy. Like, I don't know, is this like a guy who's watching this? Are you guys? Or are you watching for a guy? I don't know. Okay, we'll see, we'll check. Please clarify the main male, Spirit. All right, we have the Ace of Cups. Okay, we had 3 of Cups dropping out. Interesting. And please clarify mature man. We have strength, which previously dropped out as well. All right, so 2 of Pentacles at the bottom. What is this? See, pile number 1, I have a feeling with this mature man and strength. Okay, mature man and the card strength. I have a feeling you guys, as well as like this 2 of Pentacles here, I have a feeling you guys are very serious about something. Okay, you're very seriously working on something. I have a feeling that this could be something global. Okay, because I see a globe here. All right, it's something that you have researched about. It's something that you are very convinced about. Okay, I also feel that it's like, with the strength card, you could be divinely guided about this, whatever this is that you're doing, as well as I have a feeling there's something to do with some sort of karmic attachments here or something like that that you're trying to phase out. Okay, so see, what you are least expecting. I see 2 men here, a mature man and a main male. Okay, see, the first message I'm getting here is that, see guys, whatever it is that you're doing, I really feel you guys are a bit stuck. Okay, it might be something with the Three of Cups and the Journey card. It might be something to do with people. Okay, I'm getting something like a group of people, because even in this Two of Pentacles I see people. Maybe there are certain people who have expectations from you, or see, I'm getting people here as well. All right, there is something here, pile number 2, that you guys are juggling. You're working like a lot, I have a feeling, and somewhere you guys are stuck. Okay, I don't know with what you are stuck. Either you're stuck with respect to travel, because I am getting the Journey card here. Either you're stuck with respect to travel, or it could be that you're stuck with respect to a new beginning. There is some stuck situation here that what you don't expect is going to be cleared up by someone coming in to help you. Okay, this mature man, okay, is either you or that someone else, or this main male is you or someone else. Okay, take it as it resonates. There is somebody who is coming with some sort of an offer. Okay, because I do get Ace of Cups and main male. All right, there is some significant person who is being sent by spirit, all right, as like a helper to you, to get you out of this tough situation that you are in. Okay, this could be, I don't know, for some of you I'm getting this could be a lawyer. All right, this could be a lawyer or a businessman, someone who's an investor. Okay, I have a feeling that there is a new beginning coming up, and there is a masculine energy who's bringing this to you. Maybe this person's gonna be like really well off or something like that, and they might wanna collaborate with you or something on those lines. Okay, like maybe join in your venture or something like that, and then that's gonna be like a big boost for you guys. Okay, you don't see this coming because spirit is engineering this. All right, now with the Three of Cups and the Journey card, what I'm getting is maybe you might meet this person while you are traveling. Okay, while you're traveling or while you're in a group. Okay, maybe like you're in a party or something like that, an official party, or a or some sort of a gathering of sorts. Like maybe you're going to meet this person in some sort of a gathering is what I'm getting. Maybe you're networking, maybe you guys are used to meeting a lot of people, and you are going to meet this person who's going to invest in your idea or venture, is what I'm getting. Okay, and this person is going to be like, with the mature man and the strength, I think this person is going to be like almost like a mentor, is what I'm getting. With the strength and the mature man, this person perhaps knows the ropes of whatever it is that you are starting or wanting to start. This person already knows a lot. All right, and they are going to be helping you out. All right, with this and this is going to be like a big I have a feeling this is going to be like a big thing that's coming to you out of the blue, pile number 2. Okay, and I don't think you're going to expect this, because I have a feel, I don't think you're expecting this, because I have a feeling you might be just like trying to make the best of whatever you have at this time. All right, but spirit is sending you someone significant. Spirit, can you please tell me a little bit more about this mature man person? Who is this person? I'm getting 10 of Cups. Okay, 10 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands. See, if I look at it, I have a feeling this is a very content person, like maybe financially content, maybe in their career they are like doing really well, they're very happy. Okay, they're very like at a top position, they have achieved a lot. All right, and I have a feeling they have been watching you. Okay, either they have been watching you, or they want to provide growth. okay? They want to provide growth for people, okay, in their careers. Maybe this is like a mentor figure kind of person, okay? And I have a feeling this person is also a little bit confused, like, should I do this or not? But like, this person is super duper charged up, okay? Like, they are going to ensure progress, okay, for you, for whoever they take under their wing. All right, this is a very self-actualized person, perhaps very mature, like I said, the mature man. So to recap, what are you least expecting that is happening? There is some sort of aid or help coming to you that spirit is sending by way of a mature person, okay? This could be a mature man or a woman. I mean, please take the gender as it resonates. I am sensing more of like of a masculine energy, but this person is going to be like a mentor, someone who's going to help you out in starting off a new beginning with respect to people. And you are going to meet this person at a party or an event or a gathering of some sort, and after the deal is struck, after you guys talk, it's going to be a very strong bond, okay? And a lot of progress. This person is going to ensure that there's going to be a lot of progress, okay? So this is what I'm seeing for you, pile 2. Okay, so pile number 3 with the red aventurine. Okay, so what is it? What is coming that you least expect? Let's have a look. Spirit, what is coming that pile 3 is least expecting? Wow, that's like a lot, but we'll take it. I'm seeing change, bad health, pathway, okay, and family room. All right, looks good. I'm going to clarify these cards as well. So Spirit, can you please clarify bad health? We have 4 of Pentacles. Okay, makes sense. Please clarify change. All right, we have Queen of Wands dropping out. So we'll take this. Please clarify pathway. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Please clarify family room. Knight of Cups. All right. Now we have 2 of Wands at the bottom. Right. See, pile number 3. If I were to recap and tell you, I'm going to go into the details a little later, but if I were to recap and tell you that what is the thing that you're least expecting to happen, to be honest, what I'm getting is that there is a big change coming up, okay? There's a big change coming up in your life that is going to show you a path to some sort of a beautiful, comfortable, beautiful and safe conclusion, okay? This could be a meeting, this could be a marriage, this could be a discussion, I'm not sure, okay? But the main thing here is that there are big changes happening which are opening up pathways to, let's just say this is your wish fulfillment, whatever it is, okay? This makes you happy, this makes you feel home, all right? So I am taking this as your wish fulfillment, all right? This is something you want, perhaps like a cozy home, a beautiful family, a lovely family life, and all of those things, okay? However, at this time, I have a feeling, pile 3, with the bad health and 4 of Pentacles. See, either you guys are really going through bad health, okay, either there's actual illness or some sort of situation which is not healthy, all right? I mean, this could be a financial situation, this could be a career situation, this could be just a, like your mental health as such, okay? I have a feeling that you guys are in this energy. Maybe you're having fears, like, oh my gosh, like, is so and so going to be fine? Am I going to be fine health wise? Or let's just say it's finances. Am I going to be able to save up enough? And there might also be a fear of people here. A fear of people, wanting to hide from people, okay, for some reason. Just like, it's not a very good energy that you guys might be in, okay? So this is why I'm getting that you would least expect this to happen, but there is a big change coming up, okay? With this Queen of Wands and change. See, Queen of Wands is a very like inspired person, right? She's full of sun, she's smiling, she's very charged up. All right, so I am getting that there is a big change coming. It might involve travel, either you to travel or someone else to travel. It might involve you going to a different community or location of some sort. All right, however, whatever this change is, all right, it is going to spark you up again, okay? Because I do feel with this bad health card, you guys are like very dull at this time, okay? Dull and hiding in fears and all that. But this is going to spark you up. Either this is a person or something happening in your life which is going to spark you up. It's a big change, all right? If I see the imagery, there's a car, there's a, like, I don't know, hotel. Maybe some of you are actually going for a vacation or something like that. That's going to spark you up, all right? And then I'm getting like with this pathway and Queen of Pentacles. See, maybe you guys have been waiting for something to grow, okay? If you look at the Queen of Pentacles, she's like got all of these pentacles and she's waiting for more of those pentacles to grow. She's also pregnant, and pregnancy indicates something that's growing, something that's gestating, right? So I have a feeling you guys are waiting for something to grow, and then you can do something. Then you can see a path ahead in terms of your wish fulfillment. All right. I am seeing that this growth is going to happen. What is the number here? 8. Yeah. So perhaps in 8 days, weeks or months, there is growth happening. I do sense monetarily that is going to open up a certain path. All right. To you, for you. All right. To go to your wish fulfillment. All right. Now this family room to me is looking like a very cozy thing, right? I don't know why when I pair this up with the Knight of Cups, I am getting that this could be something like a romantic meeting, okay? Like like having a discussion, a comfortable cozy decision, why did I say decision? Anyways, discussion with somebody, okay, and having a very good resolution to it as well. All right, like I am seeing with the Knight of Cups and the family room, it's going to be a very comfortable, or rather I would say it's going to be a very good resolution to whatever this is that is your wish fulfillment. For a lot of you, I do sense like, honestly, I'm seeing someone like meeting up with someone. All right. I don't know why. I think maybe this is something you guys might not be expecting. Okay. That either you're not expecting that this meeting is going to go really well. So let's just take an example. Okay. You are like, let's just say you're like really fed up in terms of love. Okay. You feel that everyone you meet is just like, not fitting the bill and you'll never find anyone, but suddenly you're going to meet this person and it's going to be like, oh my gosh, this is the one, and this is what I'm getting, guys. Okay. You are going to meet someone after this change happens. I do sense here that you guys are, I am getting this. Okay. See, I have a feeling you guys are people who are not really looking for love. Like, you are like done with people. See, this person is hiding from people, right? You are like, I don't want to go there. Okay, I don't want to go there anymore. I don't think I'm going to meet the right person. There are all kinds of shady people out there. I'm sorry, I'm not going to meet anyone. Okay, so let me just hide. All right. And then I do sense that this meeting perhaps might happen when you are out. Okay, like I'm seeing the change pathway and family room. I have a feeling this might happen for a lot of you when you guys are on vacation or something like that, you know, like visiting a new place. Yeah, that's for some of you. And the second thing I'm getting is that there might be some big change in your life, maybe to do with your residence or travel, that is going to, first of all, it's going to make you more excited about, you know, like this aspect, this love aspect. Okay, if it is a love aspect, but whatever it is, it's your wish fulfillment. Okay, you have been feeling very dull whether you're going to get your wish fulfillment or not, and this change, whatever this is going to spark up the hope again. Okay, you are going to be like, okay, I can get this, you know, I should not give up on this, I will get this. Okay, and when you are in that energy pile 3, this door is going to open up, this path is going to open up. Okay, it is something I'm also getting with the 2 queens here. It's possible there might be a friend, you know, it might be through a friend that you actually come across this wish fulfillment of yours. Okay, so let's just say, let's take this as a romantic scenario. Maybe you feel you'll never meet someone, and then suddenly your friend says, hey, let's go to a party, and you know, like, I'll introduce you to my friends, and there you're going to meet this Knight of Cups. That's for the love situation. It could even be a job situation, right? Maybe you're like, you're like, okay, I won't give up. Okay, I've lost my job, I won't give up. I don't know where to go at this time, but I will not give up. I'll keep going, I'll keep improving myself, my skills. And then suddenly after some time, this Queen of Pentacles says, hey, you know what, like, this friend of mine was saying there's an opening in that you know, that company. Okay, and why don't you apply? And you apply, and boom, you know, you are all comfy cozy in that company finally. Okay, so this is what you're not expecting, pile number 3. Okay, I really feel you guys are in this energy. Okay, you're like, where do I head now in my life? Like, you know, I want this wish, but it's not happening. So should I just like give up on this? Okay, no, you don't have to give up. In fact, even if you give up, it's fine, because you are going to get this. Okay, you will get your wish fulfillment. All right, guys. So this is what I have for you. I hope you like the reading. Bye, guys.